Left Lateral Chest Insertion. This video is provided for you by North American Rescue, products with a mission. The following video is part of a complete training program. Each of these objectives is designed to ensure safe SPEAR usage. Indications, contraindications, and therapeutic benefits are important facets of safe SPEAR usage. Identify 7 key features of the SPEAR Decompression Needle System. Grasp case and ensure safety seal. Twist off cap and remove SPEAR. Confirm landmarks. 4th or 5th intercostal space, anterior axillary line. Cleanse according to protocol or standards. Insert needle set into skin and identify rib. Confirm depth. Insert needle set less than or equal to 3 cm into pleural cavity. Release spin lock and thread catheter over the rib. Remove needle and disconnect one-way valve. Connect the one-way valve to the catheter hub. Secure catheter per protocol or standard. Monitor your patient for successful decompression or the development of any complications.